Hello everybody, welcome to Ahmed and Behnaz's Travels channel. Kaboudwall Waterfall, which is the highest massive waterfall in Iran, is one of the must-see places in Golestan province. This spectacular waterfall, with its unique beauty, is located in the heart of a forest and mountain path, and visiting it will make the memory of your trip to this province eternal. Stay with us to introduce you to one of the most attractive natural wonders of Golestan province. Kaboudwall Waterfall is located at the foot of Mount Harun and deep in a forest valley. This waterfall, which is located 8 kilometers southeast of Ali Abad Katul city center, is about 48 kilometers away from Gorgan. The city of Ali Abad Katul is one of the mildest cities in Iran, which has a unique and wonderful climate due to its location in a low and low altitude area, as well as its geographical location next to several hills, forests, and 2 mountain gorges. Kaboudwall Waterfall originates only from its upstream spring, a spring that gushes out from the heart of the earth and in the heights, and no other source of water enters it on its way, including a permanent river or a seasonal one composed of surface water. For this reason, the water of this waterfall is clear, transparent, and drinkable, and Kaboudwall Waterfall is called the cleanest waterfall in Iran. The height of this waterfall is 12 meters, and the depth of its pond is 2 meters. Kaboudwall in Katuli dialect is composed of 2 parts, Kaboud meaning blue and Wall meaning brook. The reason why this area is named Kaboudwall is the transparency, blue color, and purity of the water of the river flowing in the heart of the forests of the area, an area that has a series of waterfalls, a river called Kaboudwall, and a vast lake. The age of this waterfall goes back to thousands or even millions of years ago based on the research done, because a fossil with oldness of 25 to 50 million years and related to the Paleogene era is located next to this waterfall. One of the most enjoyable experiences that can be experienced while visiting Kaboudwall Waterfall is navigating the path leading to it. Kaboudwall Road is a forested and green road of 5 kilometers. Walking in the dense forests of the valley and on the paved path of the waterfall is also one of the other activities in this area, a memory that will never be erased from your mind.